We have been talking about excessive heat for our Friday afternoon and even some strong and severe storms that were developing, feeding off of that heat. Nothing severe right now and starting to dry out over Savannah, but still a gray sky over the city. As far as Viper radar, tracking some showers and some thunderstorms, more intense storms setting up right now further inland from the coast. What was over Chatham County and into Bryan County has developed further to the west, where we do have some pretty heavy rain setting up for portions of Bullock County, just to the south of Statesboro. Lots of lightning, lots of heavy rain associated with that, especially along Interstate 16. Denmark, you're basically just surrounded by that heavier rain. Dry at the moment, but that will be developing over your area pretty shortly. Groveland, you're dealing with a pretty intense cell and extreme. Western Bryan County, further to the south into interior Liberty County, we do have some heavier rain setting up as well. Not as much lightning associated with that cell, but that could change in a moment. As far as what we were looking at in Appling County near Davis, Zion, and Bethel, some pretty heavy rain setting up right along 121. And as far as the lightning, that cell has been becoming a little bit more intense, and anything that develops today will have the potential to produce some gusty and strong winds, so watch out for that. As far as the rainfall rates, they've been pretty heavy because most of the storms have been fairly slow moving, so 1 to 2 inches per hour has been equaling to about almost 3 inches of rain for some locations, at least estimated by radar. Temperature-wise, we've been able to cool off where that rain has been pretty heavy, but still holding on to the middle and upper 90s in the southwestern part of the area. Savannah did make it to 98 degrees for the high temperature for today. Still feeling like it is in excess of 100 degrees for many locations for this evening. And more of that heat is in the forecast for Saturday and for Sunday, with highs in the mid to upper 90s, with heat index values getting over 105 to 110 degrees. And then the scattered showers and storms will develop during the afternoon hours, in the same type of deal over the next few days, where we will have that potential for a few isolated strong to severe storms developing, and it looks like higher rain chances will move in with extra moisture on Tuesday, and then we'll gradually get a little calmer going into the later part of next week, and by then temperatures will get hot once again. So very hot, very humid for the weekend with those excessive heat index values. Vernal boundary will be stalling out over the southeast, and that's why we do keep the rain and storm chances in the forecast for the next several days, and at times that rain will be heavy, and there is that potential for some strong and gusty winds with any of the storms that do develop. Tomorrow morning starting off dry, and then it's after lunchtime when the scattered showers and storms will start to develop. Temperatures will be in the 90s ahead of those storms, but then cooling off quickly as those storms start to develop. They will start to dissipate going into the evening hours, drying out for Sunday morning, and then we go through the same type of pattern, mainly dry through the morning hours, but then approaching lunchtime and beyond, that's when scattered storms will begin to develop, and we have that potential for some intense rain at times. And of course, that risk for a few strong and severe storms remains. But as far as going into Sunday evening, still some showers, a few storms possible, but temperatures will be a little bit cooler at that point. For tonight, 76 for the low temperature. Definitely a warm night on the way. And then for tomorrow, hot and humid with those scattered showers and storms setting up for the afternoon hours with high temperatures in the upper 90s for most locations. Again, feels like temperatures will be in well into the triple digits. So make sure you stay cool and hydrated, take plenty of breaks, and keep an eye to the sky, because those scattered shower and thunderstorm chances for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, and then they increase for Tuesday, and then check it out, upper 80s for next Wednesday.
All right, and that's what you call a tad cooler.
A tad cooler for this time of the year.
Okay, thank you, Scott.